Hidden update: transfer music from Audiomack and Boomplay to your main file manager or your SD card. Still getting the access denied or permission error in C File Explorer on Android 14 or 15? You can't move your Audiomack or Boomplay music? Stop! This updated 2026 method works when other tutorials fail. I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass the system lock and get your music onto your SD card right now. Most people get stuck here like this screenshot. Android ID the com.audiomack folder. If this is your first time see our video here, my name is Sunday, a blogger, the how-to coach, and a YouTuber. I and my crew operate under the name called Okpotatv. If you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the button there, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will be the first person to see it.
Open your C File Explorer. After you don't open and finish, then you go to storage where the arrow is pointing to. You go to main storage, you open it. And from there you go to Android where the arrow is pointing to. From the Android you go to data where the arrow is pointing to. Then you open it. After you open it, there you select any folder within there. You select any folder at all of your choice. So I'm going to select this CN Zender. So after that, you when this pop-up come up, the next you're going to do, you touch on the cancel. You don't need to click on the OK. Cancel is there. After that, it will show loading error, access denied. Then you come to this button, open with system file manager. So after you touch it, it will open. From there you touch on the data where the hand is pointing to there. You touch it. After you touch it, it will open many folders to you, so you can see it on the screen. Then from there you look for com.audiomack. Then you touch it, you can see it on the screen. You touch it. After you have touched it, it will open another menu to you like this. Then you touch on the files. From the files you go to Audiomack. Then inside the Audiomack, after you touch it, all the music, the files that you downloaded on your Audiomack, you will see them here. So you select the one that you want to move to your SD card. After that, then you come to either select all or copy to. You can still move it. Option to move it is at the bottom there. So I'm going to copy to. After you have copied it, you go to the right top left corner. Then you select your SD card from there or your main storage, anyone. After you select it, you create top folder, and you can see where the arrow is pointing to, where the hand is pointing to. Then you create the folder. After you have created the folder, then you come to the order here showing copy. You copy all the folder, the files that you have already selected in that hidden folder. So after that, you wait for some minutes for the selected file to be copied. So after you have copied, you exit the app. Then you will open it again. Then you go to where you have already copied it to, either your main storage or your SD card. But you know that I've already copied it to your SD card, so I'm going to open the SD card. After you open the SD card, then you look for the folder that you have created where you copied it to. So you can see it at the up here. So I will open it. After you open it, you see the file that you have already been copied, which is the 3 files. So you can see the 3 files all here in the folder. So the next you're going to do from here is that you touch on the one that you want to rename. Remember, when you are renaming it, you must put the file format, which is .mp3. So after you touch it, you click on the rename. You can see the title, which is the name of those files. You move from the hidden folder, then you type the name there. So I'm going to type okpotatv.mp3. that .mp3 is the format that will make the file to play in your public folder. So you can see it. After that, you click on the OK. When you click on the OK, then you touch the file. So you can see the difference. The one that I renamed is showing green, while the other one is showing white. So you touch it for you to test it if it's spraying. So you can see that the music is spraying. You can see the spraying arrow at the bottom of the folder, which is the green, where the arrow is pointing to. You can see that it's spraying. So that is how you move your files from your Audiomack or from your Boomplay to your public folder and play it. So you can also pause it if you want to pause it in that place. So if any update come up towards Audiomack or Boomplay on how to move any music file, I will drop it immediately a comment. So if you are watching this video and you see another video pop up at the end of this particular video, just know that that is the new update and you must watch that to get the correct updates.
If this video really helped you and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.